Welcome to Green Oasis, where we bring nature into your kitchen. Discover the joy of growing your own fresh herbs and veggies, right in your own home. Explore creative and chic planters that blend seamlessly with your kitchen decor. Watch your indoor garden thrive, providing you with an endless supply of flavorful ingredients. Experience the difference that fresh, homegrown herbs and vegetables make in your culinary creations. From hanging gardens to windowsill arrangements, find the perfect setup for your space. Join the Green Oasis community and embark on a journey of sustainable, flavorful living. Transform your kitchen into a thriving oasis. Visit our channel. Creating an indoor kitchen garden can be a wonderful way to bring fresh herbs and even some small vegetables into your home. Here are some ideas to get you started. Vertical herb garden. Utilize wall-mounted shelves or hanging pots to grow herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary. This not only saves space but also adds a decorative element. Windowsill garden. Arrange a variety of herbs and small plants on your windowsill. Make sure they get enough sunlight and consider using decorative pots or planters. Terrarium garden. Create a self-contained ecosystem with small plants, moss, and decorative elements in a glass container. It's visually appealing and low maintenance. Mason jar herb garden. Plant herbs like parsley, cilantro, or chives in individual mason jars. Arrange them in a decorative wooden tray for a rustic look. Hydroponic system. Set up a hydroponic system for growing herbs and small vegetables without soil. It's a space-efficient and clean option. Herb shelf. Use a dedicated shelf with multiple levels to grow a variety of herbs. Arrange them in an aesthetically pleasing manner, and consider adding LED grow lights for better growth. Mini greenhouse. If you have enough space, consider setting up a small indoor greenhouse where you can grow a wider range of plants, including herbs and vegetables. Decorative planters. Choose unique and decorative planters or pots to add a touch of style to your indoor garden. Consider matching them with your kitchen decor. Fairy garden. Create a whimsical garden with small plants, miniature furniture, and fairy figurines. This can be a fun and decorative addition to your kitchen.
Remember that indoor kitchen gardens not only provide fresh herbs but also enhance the ambience of your kitchen. Tailor your garden to your personal style and the available space. And don't forget to enjoy the process of tending to your indoor garden. Please like video and subscribe. Thanks.